Are the Nexar beam good? In addition to recording automatically and streaming to your phone, the Nexar Beam Dash Cam has GPS data and free cloud storage. But you have to have your Wi-Fi on and pair your phone to the camera. It all works great, though, and the footage is crisp and clear. Nexar Beam is a very good dash cam for those who are looking for an easy-to-install one. It's also reasonably priced, and you can store all of your video clips in the cloud, free of charge. The Nexar Beam also offers a pretty respectable set of features and functions, including 1080p Full HD video and GPS. You get a 135-degree field of view from the lens, plus plenty of cable and all the fixtures you need. Getting yourself outfitted with one of these dash cams will give you access to a reliable recording format that shouldn't let you down. The Nexar Beam makes a great entry-level dash cam to go for. Nexar has more advanced models to choose from if you need more recording power, like the Nexar Pro dash cam we looked at recently. If you stick to the Nexar Beam, however, things are great right out of the box. It won't win any design awards, but what you see is what you get. There's no rear screen on the Nexar Beam, but everything else is just the way it should be. You can also pop in a microSD card if you want more memory. Amazon has Nexar Beam for $129.95. The 3-meter cable connects from the camera to your in-car power socket. A tool is included to hide the cable behind the headliner or door pillars for a less intrusive look. The GPS mount is another key component, with a suction pad that helps you mount the camera on your windscreen and keep it there. You can also unsuction the camera and move it around if you need to move it to another car or aren't happy with the placement. It's easy to set up Nexar Beam. There are 3 leaflets inside the box that explain how to do it. Nexar apps are available for iOS and Android, and you can select settings as you go. It also shows you how to assemble the camera and GPS mount, as well as how to plumbing in the cable. There's also a USB plug on the end of the power socket in the car, which is handy because the phone gets drained when it's being used. You're all set once you pair your camera with your phone. The camera shows a variety of colors based on its status: green when it's on, blinking red when it's updating. It needs to be paired to your phone again if the red light is steady, while the steady blue light means both the dash cam and your phone are connected. Once you've got it set up, the recording process seems a little disjointed, and it took us a little bit of time to figure out when to record, and how to find the clips once you get your head around it. However, things get good once you get used to it. In terms of video quality, we like the overall look of the video. The camera also works well in all kinds of conditions, with excellent results even at dusk and into the night. Nexar Beam works well in harsh early morning light, direct sunlight, and bad weather. It's a solid all-rounder in that regard. The resolution is more than acceptable, and you can use it without fear in case of an incident. However, recording GPS data, which is shown on a map of your route in the app or in the cloud, below, is a neat addition to the otherwise excellent video.